Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on comments notification settings on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile icon, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy. Here you will find notifications, click on it. As you see here, you will find comments. Just click like this and it will be turned on. And that's how to turn on comments notification settings on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.